Sefa. Welcome to beautiful Samoa. My name's Hugh Taylor Putty. You can call me Hughie.
My name is Sefa Domingo Inari. You can call me Young Sef.
And this is Kuka, Taste of Beautiful Samoa Season 2.
Last season, we went to the hotels in Samoa to check out their fine dining. This season on Kuka, I'll be going with my uso to the streets to check out some local flavors.
Personally, I'm really excited to travel around Samoa, try something a little different and meet some amazing people while experiencing this fantastic food culture. And the best part of it is, we're going to take you guys along for the ride. And it starts this morning at the Savalalo Market.
Come on, Uso, I'll introduce you to one of my favorite meals on the go.
Oh, really?
Don't worry, I'll shout. Keke pua'a saka, bro. Sekarang dua keke pua'a saka, bro. Boleh, Ant?
Yeah, kai lava. Okay.
It's called keke pua'a in Samoan. In English, cake pig. Nah, just kidding. It's pork buns, but they come in different flavors. So this is keke pua'a chicken flavor.
Hey, this is good. It's really savory. The dough isn't too thick. It's really rich. I like the onions in there. It's a really nice sort of gravy, but it's, you know, it's self-contained and it's quite like perfect amount of time. Yeah, it's good. So there's a lot of buses around here.
Yeah.
Is this where everyone sort of meets coming into town?
Yeah. All the students, everyone from after work. What I used to do when I was in school, I would save my bus fare. I would literally not take the bus and save it to buy keke pua'a, man.
Priorities. Now, if you thought that steamed keke pua'a was the best thing you could have, get ready for the fried version.
Wala na flavor of keke pua'a.
The chicken money more.
Every day?
Everyone.
We're gonna give it a try and see what it tastes like. It's really crispy. The filling is beautiful as well. Oh man. Yeah, that's definitely my favorite. All right, Uso, thanks for breakfast. What do we got going on for lunch?
More keke pua'a. I'll pass.
I'm not even mad about it, man.
Tula's Bakery. This place sells some of the best keke pua'as on this side of the island.
All right.
And still one tala. Kamali.
So we are now in the kitchen here at Sula's with our good friend Fuatino.
Welcome to Sula's Kitchen. We're very happy to have you guys here with us today. And let's get to it. Wait, did you wash your hands?
Yes, we did.
Hands are washed.
Very good. So we have our ingredients for the filling for the keke pua'a here. Bonita meat.
Okay. And this is lamb?
Mamoy, yes. Okay, so we put in our lamb first.
Okay.
Can we have the secret sauce?
All right.
That is all you need. A lot of soy sauce and alofa in here.
Yes.
And the onions, please. Okay, the chili.
Chili.
Yeah, I want if you get it, not too much. Add in our salt, and finally our black pepper.
Look at that.
All right, guys, so now we're here at the keke pua'a station where all our delicious filling goes into the dough. So, Fuatino, what's the secret to making good keke pua'a? How do we roll this up and make it look all nice?
It's really good hand skills. These boys, they do get training when they start on how to roll it in, and that it's properly sealed at the bottom.
All right, so I'm just going to reach in and grab Sefa's one because he just dived in and just botched it. So,
It's not that bad.
Tita, you show us. What do you think? Do you think
It's not that bad.
All right, this cannot go out there on the shelves. I'm sorry to say, Sefa, but we do have a reputation that we need to uphold.
No deal,
So this
no
goes
deal.
back.
So we just finished putting together all the keke pua'as. Now it's time to put it in the steamer. Look at that.
Oh.
I'm excited.
Oh, here we go. Here we go.
I reckon.
Okay, let's have a smell. Oh, that smells so good. It smells so good.
Yeah.
My gosh.
Best time to have it when they're hot.
Okay.
100%.
Okay,
All right.
let's go.
Oh. Hey. Yeah, it's definitely hot. Yep. It's hot. It's a little bit spicy. It's got a really nice rich gravy. Oh, this is the best we've had all day. All right, guys, so we're all done for the day. Thank you so much to Fuatino and the team here at Sula's. If you're ever in Samoa and you want to try something a little bit different, make sure you come down and try one of their amazing keke pua'a.
That's all the time we have for today. Until next time, this is Kuka, Tastes of Beautiful Samoa.